Hello friends, welcome back, and you are learning Elementor in WordPress. So in this video I will show you how to customize header and footer in Elementor. If you are not using pro version of Elementor, then it doesn't allow you to customize header and footer, but there is an option through which you can customize header and footer. In this video I am going to show you how to do that. So let's start. First let me log in into the admin. In case if you have not watched my previous two videos, then I strongly recommend you to watch those two videos so that you will know the basic of Elementor. But in case you already know, then you can skip those videos and directly you can watch this. So what I mean is that let's do one thing. Let's go to the page, and so now what I will do, I will create a new home page. Say I will name it as new home page. Okay, now let's just publish it. After publishing, what I will do, I will go to settings and then reading, and then I will select this new home page. Right now let's save it, and if I now try to open this page, then you can see this one is showing. So what I'm trying to do is that I will customize this home page and this header section and footer section. We have already installed this Elementor. Here in admin section, you can see, if you go to the plugin, and you can see, in case you have missed my previous video, then you can see this is the basic version. It's not a premium version. Okay, but don't worry at all. I will show you the premium version, also the pro version, also in later video. But in case if you don't want to buy this and you still want to customize header and footer, then I will show you the option. So first let's update it. By the time it updates, let's do one thing. Okay, let's go to news section. This new section, oh, since it's working, that's why it is taking time. So let's first complete its process, then I will do that. All right, now what I will do, okay, so let's go to plugin section and then click on add new, and then here just type here Elementor header. Okay, so you can see here this Elementor header and footer builder. This is free add-on of Elementor. So just click on this. It's installing. So now what I will do, just activate this. Okay, once we activate, then all right, now it's activated. What you will have now, what you need to do, click on appearance. This appearance, what's happening here, just hold on. All right, so just let's go to appearance here, and then Elementor header and footer. Okay, so you can see there are two header and footer. Let's do one thing. It seems I've already created, that's why. So I'll first delete and I will show you from scratch. Okay, let's delete this header and footer both. I will delete from the trash as well. All right, so let's go to trash and delete on header and footer as well for permanently. Okay, so now it's clear. Okay, it doesn't have anything. Now let's go to here, add new. Okay, click on add new. It's very easy and interesting as well. So I will name it as header. Right now here you select header, you select this header. Okay, and then where it will show. So what I'll do, I'll select here to show entire page. Remember, if you want to show this header in any specific page, in that case you can select that specific page. Or if you want to show in entire website all singulars, all archives, that means you have, or particularly home page, this one. So that means what, you can create different headers and you can show in different pages. But for the time being, what I'm doing just clicking on entire page. Okay, so that's it. Enrolls, let's leave it as it is and just click on publish. And yeah, one more thing, this will be applicable on which template. So let's select here Elementor full width and now click on publish. Right, so we have successfully created here header. Now just click on this edit with Elementor. So we are going to build header here. Oh, what happened? Go back. Let's do one thing, sometimes it causes problem, so we need to change one's theme. Okay, which theme is this? 2023. So 2021, 2022. I'm just going to activate this one, and once again I will activate this one, 21 or 23 also. That means we need to, sometimes it doesn't work, Elementor. So 2023, once again I'm just going to activate this. All right, so now once again let's get back to this header and footer, and then we will check if Elementor is working or not. Okay, it's showing Elementor, so edit with Elementor. Yeah guys, you can see it's working. So in case it doesn't work, then you just need to change the theme, and once again you get back to that theme. Right, now what I will do, just click on this, and so you need to now specify, you need to now decide that your header will be how. For example, what I'm going to do here, I'm taking this one, these three columns. Okay, in the first column I will select logo, second column will be blank, and in the third column I will put here phone number. Okay, right, so now click on this and select image, or it might have logo as well, site logo. Okay, just drag it, and this one is pro version and this one is simple version. So just drag it, and then you will be asked to select image. I'll click here, or attachment. What is this here? Yeah, just click on edit. Yeah, actually I want to change this image. Custom image, click on this, and then I will take this logo. Okay, and after this you have option here how small you want, you can write here. Apart from that, you have custom option also. For example, if you want to specify your own height and width, you can specify from here. For example, I want to keep it very small. For example, I want to keep it 40 by 40. In that case it will be smaller. Oh, it's too small guys, so let's keep it 80 by 80. Right, okay, so now this logo, and in the right side I will put here, insert this section, the text, not this one, text editor. Okay, I'll just put here, and then this is phone number 858395958, or whatever phone number you want, you can keep here, it's easier. text, this one is visual. All right, so just we have put here the phone number. Apart from that, you can customize the color and all that. So I've already shown you how you can customize the whole section or particular one section. You have a lot of options here to do that. All right, so now what I will do, I'll just click on update, and guys, the header is complete here. Now if you want to customize, for example, if you want to change the color of the header, this header, and yeah, one more thing, let's do one thing. I will take it full width, okay, so that it will be full width, or if you want to keep it boxed, so that depends upon you. Apart from that, striped section, you have this one also. If you select this one, then it will be fully striped, so that depends upon you how you want to keep it. For the time being, I'm selecting this one, and now the style, oh, it's still loading, the style. So how it will look, that means the background color, which color I want to take, the classic one. If I check, so let's do one thing. There are different options here. So here I will select color. I want to put it a dark reddish color, so you can specify here the color. Okay, so this is my header color. Right, now the header is done. As you can see, it's very easy. Now what I will do, just click on this and select this part. Okay, and here I will select the menu. So here is menu and nav menu. There are, you have two options actually. There's navigation menu and there's nav menu. So this one is really very good, but this one is in pro version. I will show you in pro version, but for the time being, I'm going to select this smaller and this compact version, this one, menu. All right, so which menu I want to show, I would like to show you. So I can select here, so how it will look, button or default, and also enable schema support, forget about schema support, and layout. So that's it. All right, so now our header section is complete. Actually, this menu section is not good at all. This menu is really very good in pro version. I will show you that in pro version. Okay, this menu, this one, but for the time being, you can just work with this, or simply you can create your own menu by just dragging text. Okay, but for the time being, my header section is complete, and now what I will do, I will complete my footer section. Okay, right, now let's get back here. So I go to admin and create footer. The header is complete. Now let's go to appearance, and here, so header is complete. Now let's once again create footer section. Footer. This is footer. Same way, we will select here what I want, footer, and then where it will show, it will show the entire site. Publish it, and yeah, where it will show, so that one also, full width. So now the question is, okay, let's do one thing. First, let's complete it. Let's create footer, and in footer I'm not going to write much. Simply I'll just take this and put here one text box where simply I'll write copyright. Okay, copyright. all rights reserved. Okay, so this our footer section is complete as well. Now let's get back to admin once again, and now I want to, but before that let's check if our header and footer section is really working or not. And yes, let's do one thing. Once again, make it stretched full width, I mean in stretch, and background color I will put maybe black. So background overlay, yeah, yeah, this one. Then classic, it's like this one, it's like this. I'm going to put black background for header. Since we don't have anything in the center section, that's why header and footer is showing all together. So I will put something in middle section also. Okay, so now let's see in the front section how our website is looking now. So this is our front section. But guys, there is problem. It's still showing this one because the problem is that we needed to change our template layout. Then it will show. Okay, just click on dashboard, go to page and your new page. You need to select what is your new page name. This is home new page. Just click on edit, and then here you need to come and template, you can see where it is showing page, or you need to select Elementor full width, because in our header and footer section we have selected this one. So now if you want to check, guys, you can see this is your header and this is your footer. But you might be wondering, what is this? You don't have anything in the center section because we have not put anything, that's why. So header footer, then now site setting or theme builder. So go to not theme builder, yeah, let's go to site settings. Okay, the first one, I mean this one, default template, no, this one, new header and footer, front page, I mean. And here I think I didn't save that time, that's why. Elementor full width, yeah, it's already saved. So click on Elementor top. So you have this footer and you have send. Now in the center section I will select three box. I will put something here. In the first section I will put here box 1. Maybe for quick one I will select image, quick one, image. And in second one also I'm selecting this image. In third one also I'm selecting image, right? And now click on update and check. So now let's check in the top, click on this, and guys, you can see this is your header and this is your footer and this is your center section. So you can see it's very easy with a basic version of Elementor to create header and a footer. In the next video I will show you how to create a complete home page using Elementor. So this is the design. I will show you with pro version how to create this whole website, okay, using Elementor. So stay connected and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.